In this video, I'm going to show you how to unpublish videos with Pollo AI. By the way, if you want to try Pollo AI for yourself completely for free, there's a link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment. You can try it out for yourself completely for free. So, if you want to unpublish videos with Pollo AI, you want to first sign into your account and go top right over here, hover over your profile picture, and then go to down here where it says My Creations. Just click on it. And over here, you'll be able to see all your creations. Now, you can sort by unpublished and published, and by default, especially if you have a free account, you can see that all your videos and images are unpublished by default. So if you want to make them unpublished and you are, let's say, a subscriber to Pollo AI and you have many of them published, what you'll have to do is simply select published over here, which will show, of course, all your videos that you have, and then there will be a button over here at the top left which will say published. So what you want to do is just press on that button and switch from published to unpublished, and all your videos that you select will be unpublished. Now, as you can see over here, you'll then be able to switch to unpublished, and you will see all of the videos that were previously published. Now they become unpublished. So that's pretty much it. Again, if you want to try Pollo AI for yourself, there's a link down below in the description, and I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.